Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So finally, I am starting a new series based on the project, and in this series, I will try to develop a web application that will be online car showroom application. Okay. So basically this application will be an online showroom of the car where car will be available to sell or purchase. Okay. So more precisely I will go into notepad and tell you what I am going to do in this project. First of all, there will be login and registration system. Okay, registration system, and after that, and the most important thing, that is there will be three types. There will be yes, there will be three types of user. First will be admin, and super will be super admin, and third will be visitor. The concept of admin in this project will be admin will add the details of car on the website, and for this we need to register and log in himself. Okay, admin add and show the details of car in the website after creating an account. And the super admin will be a person that will be who will be responsible for approving the admin card details. Okay, either the card will be accepted or not, it will be depend upon super admin. And the same thing also will be applicable for super admin, that is super admin needs to log in and register himself. And visitor is the person that is going to use that particular services provided by super admin and admin. That is, he is going to buy a car. That's all. This is basically a simple project that will be going to develop in Spring Boot technology. That is one of the module of the Spring framework of Java. And the front end will be on the React.js, that is JavaScript library. So the thing is, I think I should write here super admin can view the records and have a permission to approve the car in the market. Visitor is just like a customer who is going to buy a new or old car. This is just a basic functionality that I am going to deploy in my project. Okay, backend technology, that will be technology, that will be Spring Boot, and content will be content technology, it will be React.js. Okay, I think you might have a knowledge about a Spring Boot or React.js. So this is all about my upcoming series. Okay, so thank you and see you in this video. Okay, and please like, subscribe and share my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest videos, upcoming videos time to time. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.